Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. I am so excited for this video because I'm going to be talking about 5 different varieties of plants based on their size and structure. We're talking about shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers, and herbaceous. So I help you beautify your yard, and man, I have fun doing it, so stick around. First one we're talking about is shrubs. Shrubs come very small to medium sizes. There are hundreds of different kinds of shrubs. They have kind of woody stems, they have a bushy appearance, and there are evergreen shrubs. Evergreen shrubs retain their leaves and their foliage and have color all year long, even through winter. Some examples of these is boxwoods, dwarfed Alberta spruces, arborvitaes, yuccas. So deciduous bushes are known for losing their leaves every season, but they are valued because of their beautiful color. Their color provides seasonal interest through spring blooming, summer foliage, autumn, very vibrant autumn colors. But a lot of these do require pruning in the fall or the spring. And examples of these are some rose bushes, there's lilacs, there's hydrangeas, red twig dogwoods. The nice thing about red twig dogwoods is their twigs are red. So their leaves are also red, but once they lose them in winter season, they have some red twigs, which not many other bushes have red twigs. So that is one very cool thing about them. The second type of plant is a tree. Trees start very small like a shrub, but some of them can get ginormous. But the one negative to that is it takes them years to get ginormous. But man, it's worth those years in my opinion, because the beautiful large trees are just so outstanding. But the one thing that really separates a tree from a shrub is a tree has a trunk. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see it back there, but this blue spruce, it has a trunk down the center of it. So the evergreen trees are trees that will keep their color and their leaves and their foliage all year long. Once again, like this blue spruce, it is winter season here and he still has beautiful color. This is a little baby blue spruce, but it's still very beautiful. So examples of those are the blue spruce. There is hemlocks, there's pines, there's cedar trees, and there is also deciduous trees. And deciduous trees are ones that will lose their leaves when winter comes, but they provide seasonal interest. So examples of these are maples, there's oak trees, there's elm trees, there's aspens and willows, fruit trees. And the third kind of plant are creepers. So this is kind of weak stems that will spread around the ground, or another name for them is a ground cover. I love ground covers because it kind of just fills an area. It will help keep weeds out. So there is examples that I know that I have around my yard is we got vincas. There is a lot of different variations of vincas. There's creeping jenny, there's buggleweeds. Hey chickie, what are you getting so close to me for? Go away. And the fourth kind of plant are climbers. Climbers are very weak stemmed and they need something to help keep them upright and help them grow up. But these can be used on fencing, it can be used on walls. I have some trellises, but there are quite a few different kinds of climbers: wisteria, clematis, honeysuckles, and trumpet vines. The next variety is the herbaceous. They usually have a soft green stem. They will die down to their roots at the end of the growing season, but they will regrow from those roots, kind of like tulips, irises, daylilies, and decorative grass. So that's easy to remember. 5 varieties of plants based on their size and structure: the shrubs, the trees, the creepers, the climbers, and the herbaceous. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.